Today, we're going to build a Navy destroyer using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x4 thin Technic Liftarm. Now, I'm using a dark bluish gray color scheme because I didn't have this in light bluish gray, but I would probably prefer a light bluish gray. But you know, we work with the pieces and the colors that we have, and so this is what we're working with. And we have that front circle, not the square, the little cross part, but that circle. On that front open circle, I'm going to grab a 1x1 round plate with 1L bar, and I'm going to put that round plate stud into that front hole so that the bar is facing forward, and this is the cannons to our destroyer, the guns to our destroyer. And again, this is why I kind of mentioned colors, because if this was a light bluish gray, I probably would have made this a dark bluish gray color. Okay, but now we go to the back circle here, this back hole. On that back hole, I'm going to grab a 1x1 plate and just put that upside down so the stud goes into that hole. And I need to give a little more height, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a 1x1 round plate and do the same thing where I put it upside down. And I chose round because the square just didn't look right. It was too blocky, but that kind of added a nice little more dimensions and smoothness to this destroyer. But it still wasn't quite tall enough. It needed more girth to be a destroyer and kind of feared in the ocean. So I'm getting one more round 1x1 plate, just putting that again on top of my other round plate. And here we've got a very intimidating micro Navy destroyer to patrol the oceans or perhaps your bathtub.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.